Good morning, futures traders. Today's Monday, August 11th, the time 9:29. Trading the Nasdaq open today. We have PreyDocs on the left and I'm on the right. Looks like we may take a break to the downside here. We have about 30 seconds. We do have the London low below us here. We may try to hit that.
Order submitted.
So, let's wait and see here what we do.
Order canceled.
We do have a possible break of this zone here. We had a lot of volume down. Man, we're getting everything today.
Order submitted.
Still don't have a direction here. Right now the bias is to the downside here with these three areas here. But we'll just wait.
Order filled. Order filled.
Break even quickly on that one. Why it's not working? It's locked up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Something happened here to my chart trader. It's locked up. It's causing me to get into a losing trade right now. Not happy. No.
Order filled.
All right, something locked up here on the left side. We're in a trade here on an aggressive short to the downside on the PreyDocs side. I need to figure out what's going on with my chart trader here.
PreyDocs. Order submitted.
Okay, I just reloaded the Ninja script.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm stopping on the manual side. I
Order
just can't
submitted.
I can't just get a good entry You can see we
Order
broke even
filled.
on the PreyDocs side. We're now at the low of this pivot point
Order
here.
submitted.
Looks like we may be testing the London low. So I'm going to take this trade right here. Something's just not right with my order panel. Something's
Order
not right with
canceled.
this order panel. It's just not letting me take the orders. We're too close to the London low there, so I'm just going to hold off. We're in this aggressive short on the
PreyDocs aggressive volume short.
So we'll just wait. I'll show you what that looks like for a little bit. Looks like we might hit a loss here, possibly on the PreyDocs side. We did have this pivot point here. We have the London low here. Very bizarre price action this morning. As you can see, it's very, very indecisive. We're getting a lot of back and forth bars here. Now we're getting some volume to the upside here, so we just don't have a direction. This is a particularly tough open to be trading in today, so I'm done on the manual side. It's just more of a kind of a scalpy day, it looked like. So you could see very, very indecisive bars right now. So sometimes you're just better off stepping aside. So I'll step aside with the $115 on the accounts. Live to trade another day. We'll see how the PreyDocs does. Give it a few more minutes and then we'll call it a day on the video. I'll just let it run and continue practicing with the PreyDocs, and then we begin our beta testing period. It's actually been doing quite well, just letting it run between 9:30 and 11:30, and then again from 2 to 3:50. So that's what we've been testing so far in the unit side, testing side. We did select our beta test group. We will be having our webinar this afternoon on PreyDocs, and then I will be kicking off the distribution of the software to all the beta testers on most likely Wednesday. So if you'd like to join this afternoon's webinar, just look in the description. There is a link to it. You need to register for it. It's at 2:45 p.m. Eastern. So you can see we took a loss on the PreyDocs side. So we had one break even and one loss. You can see it's not an easy open. So we'll continue testing it and letting it go, and we'll go from there. So I'll update the trade journal with the $115. Again, I'd rather just not trade today with this price movement, and we'll call it a day on the manual side. So we'll continue letting the PreyDocs run to test the different time frames, and then we'll move forward. So, okay, hold on. I'll give you the trade journal, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so here is the trade journal with today's entry in it. You can see we hit, I wouldn't say we hit our daily goal, but we did turn green. So we'll take that as a win, and we'll just come back tomorrow. There'll be trades tomorrow. So price action was a little bizarre. Trump is speaking at 10 o'clock, so CPI is tomorrow. So just a lot of uncertainty and direction, so it's kind of flat. So we'll just take that as a win and move on. So, so far we're progressing nicely in the month of August, and we'll just continue taking each day slowly and making sure we get the right signals and be patient. So good news is PreyDocs has come back. It's not green yet, but we're getting there. It's won a couple more trades since then. Again, we're in unit testing, so we're just letting it do things that we normally wouldn't do in real life, right? We wouldn't be letting it run all day. We wouldn't be, having aggressive settings turned on. We would have more filters turned on. So we're just trying all different things just to ensure that we test all components of it. So the beta test will begin Wednesday. We'll start to distribute the software to all the beta testers that have been identified and have signed their agreements, and then we'll get started on that. So we will have a webinar, an informational webinar this afternoon on it, on 2:45 Eastern. The link will be in the description. So if you register, join us. It was a decent day, barring kind of a weird opening. So let me see if I can get the profits page up here. You can see we have some bad language there, but you can see we had some losers here. We had mostly winners, though. You can see that even with following the methodology on a bad day like today, you can still get some profits. So again, you can see not a lot, but everybody chose to do the same thing, in and out. So it happens to the best of us, and there are going to be losses. So anyway, we're fully transparent. This is a profits and losses we post. We want to be transparent so that we all can learn from it. So join the Discord if you haven't. Great group of traders, a lot of interaction occurring. We help each other, and we help each other when we're down and up. So anyway, I'll post the link in the description for the webinar. Hopefully we'll see you in the afternoon. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, drop me a message on Discord, shoot me an email. Happy to respond as quickly as I can. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Join the videos. I try to post content daily when I can. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.